Welcome to the CrispMetrics. In this video we will see AUC and ROC score for classification problems. ROC stands for Receiver Operator Characteristics. AUC stands for Area Under Curve. So in logistic regression we are using sigmoid activation function and it will give us probability between 0 and 1. At that time we talked about 0.5 threshold value. If our probability is greater than 0.5 then it will be class 1, and if smaller than 0.5 then it will be 0 class. So we have to think why threshold we take 0.5, why not 0.2 or something else. So the threshold we can decide with the help of ROC and AUC. Now the question is how confusion matrix depends on threshold. Suppose we are solving a binary classification problem where we have two classes 0 and 1. In which if our probability greater than 0.5 it belongs to class 1, but if it is smaller than 0.5 then it belongs to class 0. So according to 0.5 it was deciding our confusion matrix. If we change the threshold 0.5 to something else then true positive, false negative, true negative values will change. Similarly precision and recall will change also, to decide the threshold for our model. We can use ROC. It is the graph between true positive rate or sensitivity and false positive rate. To decide the threshold we have to draw ROC curve with different threshold which will give us different confusion matrix. So we will get different true positive rate and false positive rate according to different threshold values. According to our problem statement we have to decide our threshold values because it affects on our model. Now the question is how to use it for multi-class classification problems. Suppose we solved one problem which have more than two classes with different algorithms and with different threshold values. We can use ROC and AUC both at same time. By which model you are getting more area with different threshold value you can select those model. In next video we will start more algorithms. Subscribe for more videos.